Hey, what's up everybody? I am Jason and you're watching my channel Micro Investor. So in this video we're going to be talking about the cloud-based data management company Snowflake, who is looking to have their initial public offering soon, trading under the ticker symbol SNOW, S-N-O-W. So as we get to it, please be sure to smash, destroy, and annihilate that like button because it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and helps spread this video to more people that might find it interesting. And also subscribe if you have not already. So Snowflake could be one of the biggest IPOs of 2020. No guarantee on exactly when the IPO is going to happen. Some people are saying that it's going to be on September 15th or 16th, but I'm also hearing that it could happen anytime within September or even October. So a lot of people don't have their facts straight. So we'll just say it's going to happen sometime soon. So first, let me explain a little bit about Snowflake, just so we all have an understanding about this company and also why the IPO could be a very big one. Snowflake was founded in 2012, and the platform solves the decade-old problem of data silos and data governance. Leveraging the elasticity and performance of public cloud, Snowflake's platform enables customers to unify and query data to support a wide variety of use cases. It also provides frictionless and governed data access so users can securely share data inside and outside their organizations, generally without copying and moving and underlying data. As a result, customers can blend existing data with new data for broader context, augment data science efforts, or create new monetization streams. Delivered as a service, Snowflake's platform requires near zero maintenance, enabling customers to focus on deriving value from their data rather than managing infrastructure. Some of Snowflake's largest and most prominent customers include Adobe, DocuSign, Dropbox, Micron, Sony, Office Depot, Square, Instacart, DoorDash, Overstock.com, and Logitech. So I know the core business of Snowflake is super complex and very hard to explain, but at an enterprise level, they understand it. This company makes sense to them, and it really helps them out. So if that makes any sense. Now let's get into the financials of this company based off of what they wrote on their S1. Snowflake's platform is used globally by organizations of all sizes across a broad range of industries. As of July 31, 2020, Snowflake had 3,117 customers, increasing from 1,547 customers as of July 31, 2019. As of July 31, 2020, Snowflake's customers included 7 of Fortune 10 and 146 of the Fortune 500 based on the 2020 Fortune 500 list. And those customers contributed approximately 4% and 26% of Snowflake's revenue for the 6 months ended July 31, 2020, respectively. As Snowflake's customers experience the benefits of their platform, they typically expand their usage significantly, as evidenced by their revenue retention rate, which was 158% as of July 31, 2020. The number of customers that contributed to more than $1 million in trailing 12-month product revenue increased from 22 to 56 as of July 31, 2019, and 2020, respectively. Snowflake has achieved significant growth in recent periods. For the fiscal years ended January 31, 2019 and 2020, Snowflake's revenue was $96.7 million and $264.7 million, respectively, representing year-over-year growth of 174%. For the 6 months ended in July 31, 2019 and 2020, Snowflake's revenue was $104 million and $242 million, respectively, representing year-over-year growth of 133%. Snowflake's net loss was $178 million and $348.5 million for the fiscal years ended January 31, 2019 and 2020, respectively, and $177.2 million and $171.3 million for the 6 months ended January 31, 2019 and 2020, respectively. Snowflake said it plans to offer 28 million shares, priced between $75 and $85 a share, with underwriters getting an option for additional 4.2 million to cover over allowment. Snowflake said Berkshire Hathaway and Salesforce both plan to buy $250 million in shares, or 3.125 million shares, at $80 apiece. Additionally, Berkshire Hathaway will buy about 4 million shares from an unnamed stockholder at the initial IPO price. So Snowflake could have an IPO that would value them as much as $24 billion, and they can raise more than $2.7 billion. Now, Snowflake didn't go into any great detail of what they plan to do with the money that they raised from the offering, but they did write, however, we currently intend to use the net proceeds we receive from this offering and the concurrent private placements for general corporate purposes, including working capital, operating expenses, and capital expenditures. We may also use portions of the net proceeds to acquire complementary businesses, product services, and technologies. However, we do not have agreements or commitments to enter any acquisitions at this time. Now, given that Snowflake is going to be issuing 28 million shares for their IPO, and Berkshire Hathaway and Salesforce have already agreed to purchase 3.125 million shares each, and then Berkshire Hathaway is then again going to double down and purchase another 4 million shares, this stock is going to be probably pretty expensive by the time it comes to the retail investors like you and I. But that's just something to be expected with real IPOs. That's because there's also institutional investors that throw a lot of money into these companies. So the stock price does get inflated quite a bit before it even reaches us. Now, we see it all the time. But that doesn't mean that this company wouldn't be worth investing into. That's all up to however you decide. Now, me personally, I wouldn't invest into it right away just because of that reason, because I know that usually when the dust settles a little bit, the stock does tend to come down just days after the IPO or a week after the IPO. But looking into this company, I do think it's very impressive. I like everything that they're doing. This is something that I'm going to have to definitely be doing more research about too as well before I do make an initial investment into it. But I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts on Snowflake. Is this something that you're looking to invest into? Please let me know. Anyways, everybody, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon.